Hello folks, it's Swaino, cooking with Swaino again. It's another day, it's another caftan. I'm going to make yogurt flatbreads and these are really easy. I usually don't measure much stuff at all, so I've been making bread for a long time. So she says confidently, you watch me stuff it up now. No, I won't. So I'm putting in, I'll just make a small amount for our purpose today. I've just got plain flour. That's about 1.5 cups. The Lembongan salt again. Teaspoon. I'm going to put yogurt into these because it's nice. You sort of need a shortening agent, or like oils, fats, so your flatbread is nice and moist. So I would put in a good, that much. And because I'm not using yeast, these are going to be unleavened, but the yogurt sort of will make them rise a bit from the natural beautiful things in the yogurt. Olive oil, good gluggy glug. Ooh. So now it's looking like that. And then you just do the rest with water until it's, so that's maybe for that amount of flour, maybe 1/2 cup of water. Yeah. So, okay, so then you just have a look at it and see what else you might need. So that's way too wet. Too much water, Swaino. So I'm going to put in some more flour. About that much. I love bread making. Something about it. Ancient practice. Makes you feel good. Okay, so now I can put my hand in there and bring it all together. Feels so soft and lovely. I've just mowed the grass, so you can tell. That's also another video I've done this morning. Oh, is that wobbling the camera? Uh-oh. So if you need to know how to start a lawnmower, which you know, some people don't. I'll put it on my lap. Some people don't know how to start a lawnmower, so I thought I'd put that in there as a video, you know. And there, I'm just kneading it. And as you knead it, the flour takes up the moisture. So sometimes you need just a tad more to get it to the right consistency. And because it's a flatbread, it can be on a really soft side. So look. Yeah. Perfect. So I'm going to leave it. It's a good idea to let bread, flatbread, any kind of dough mix rest. I think it's to do with the glutens in the flour, needing a bit of a rest. I should know. I worked on glutens in flour for 4 years at Sydney Uni. That was my job. Alpha and beta particles in gluten in flour, in wheat. Yeah, riveting stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to let this rest. You could put it in the fridge at this stage and then use it over the next few days. You can just pull off some dough as you want it. We're going to fry it up in a sec, but I'm just going to let it rest. What you should do is oil your bowl. Now this bowl should be clean, so we're just going to imagine, bling, it's a clean bowl. Pour some oil over your flatbread, over your dough, and then just roll it around in that. And that way, when you let it rest, it won't get a hard crust on it, which is no good, that's yuck. So you let it rest like that, and you would put a cover over it, clean tea towel, whatever. Let it rest for, I don't know, maybe an hour, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back, and my dough has been resting for an hour. It's lovely. I'm going to just grab a little ball of it. Here's Digby. He's just locked me out of the house. Okay, I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit, like this. This is so soft, you don't really need a rolling pin. It's just sort of, and it doesn't matter if you get holes in it. That's cool. Yeah, they're really soft, but I think these will be lovely. And this is going to be your lunch, Digby. Want to come and show people the sign for lunch? Sandwich. So I've got a cast iron pan here heating. That pan's been seasoned. So now I'm going to, look Digby, I'm going to put in, this is your lunch. We are making bread. This has fallen apart a few times, but that's okay. Look, we're going to do this. Look, put it in, Digby. You can sort of play with it while it's there. Push it out a bit. You do one for Quinn. Where are you? Digby. Digby. Here he is. Don't push me off the chair. Digby, look. You're on TV. Be careful, darling. Look. Say hello. You might take the camera. Ah, don't touch. Don't touch. He's touched it. All right, to be continued. So as I was saying, a cast iron pan, if it's been seasoned well, you shouldn't need to put oil in it. And I think also if you put oil in the pan, it might crisp them up too much. So this pan is awesome. I've had this a long time, and they're cheap. You get them at army disposals, or camping shops, camping stores, and they're worth every penny. And like I said, they're not much. They're not expensive, and much better than anything I've ever used. Cast iron, yeah. So now we're just waiting for our flatbreads to go a bit brown colour, get a bit of colour, and then we're going to eat them. And that's it. Cooking with Swaino. I'll think of something else to do. And oh, that's another thing, yeah, all these things you might have in your cupboard already, so it doesn't involve a trip to the shop. And you could have yogurt flatbreads with, put some jam, cheese, lettuce from the garden, whatever you like. Okay, enjoy. Bye.